gentle with it. I don't know why I'm holding my GoPro when I. This is what part of it for?
Oh, where you can open things. Oh, saying it just for the video. I did plan on getting a video of the truck driving up, me taking delivery of this, but like I was saying when the video started, I sort of followed my delivery driver home because I had to run back to work to pick something up, and he just so happened to be in front of me. So more or less, I just followed him directly into my driveway, which was very interesting. I actually took a Snapchat video that posted on my story, so you'll see that as well. That's the brand. Air filter. And I'm guessing it's in this box by itself. I could be wrong. Or supporting stuff.
It's got Christmas in there.
Oh, yeah. I really did. More exhaust stuff. So now I have from stainless steel to titanium. So that'll be fun. Still no cats though, just small flex pipe, and that's it. I think I have a full muffler and a baby muffler. Those are the lines. I was very confused as to what they were at first. Now we can access the fun box. Where did I put my knife? My knife is up here. I didn't even get to connect to my speaker or anything yet. Straight into it. Yeah. So that's what I got. And reminder, it wasn't supposed to come until Friday. At 11:01, I got a text message, and it said it said, well, because it said it was in Cedar Rapids, and then it wasn't, and it said it was in Cincinnati, Ohio, and I had to pay duty fees, which is the import stuff.
Yeah.
I was like, okay, fine. It was like either $49.66 or $46.99. I think it was $49.66. So I was like, okay, what? Boom, done. And it said it was in Cincinnati, Ohio, and then it went to Cedar Rapids. Yesterday at 4:38 a.m. is when it received, and it didn't update. And so obviously this morning I woke up at 4 or something on accident, and then I got to work at 7. I'm like, and it hasn't left yet? Are you kidding me? And then at 11:01 I get a message that says your package is out for delivery and will be delivered between 4 and 6 today. Obviously it came in at like 3:30. Which I'm not mad about.
When you order something that comes early.
Especially when I got off work and got home the second time just in time. Well, this is perfect. Granted, I don't know what the rest of this stuff is because the majority of it is turbo. Oh, my wastegate will be over there. So I still haven't opened up the wastegate. But I don't know what half of this stuff will be unless it's just goodies, which I wouldn't mind. But yeah, I'm gonna try and get this thing on today. Okay, intake piping. Levi's coming over after he gets off work to help me finish up. Oh, you didn't see it, but if you look back over there in that corner, you're looking at it right now. I got all the exhaust off. The only thing in the exhaust manifold, only thing I have left on is the oil return line at the bottom. Is the hose that comes out at the bottom at the front, and that's because I don't have a socket to fit over it, which is what I went back to work for to get the oscillating tool.
Yeah.
So so that way I can cut it and then put a socket over it to get it off. But because I didn't want to do it at first, because I wanted to make sure that that this kit wouldn't need it, and it doesn't because it uses the hoses. So I'm all good, and I get to have good. Oh, then you have the new exhaust manifold, which will still be equally as fun to put on. You know, this will be a lot better, thank God, because the
You
bottom.
think you'll be able to get most of this on today?
As long as I have the right tools, yeah. As long as I have the right tools, I might be able to get it running today. My goal is to get it turned over and moved out of the garage. And then this is now empty. And then whew, more goodies inside here. So now I have 2 of these. And my Turbo Smart wastegate with instructions I will need to read. But, hold up. Optional water cooling portholes, water cooling symbol. See, this is the good thing about having 2 of them. I can open up one, put stuff in there. Look at that. Look
What's
at
on
that. External wastegate. I am. Okay, scratch that. I forgot I have to deal with springs and shit. I apologize. So actually, Levi's coming over and he knows how to deal with that stuff. And then there are instructions and there's YouTube and Google. So, yep. As of most things, but this car stuff comes from overseas, either in Japan or Australia.
Where did that come from?
This came from Australia. The whole kit itself came from Canada. I think it was Vancouver. No, Vancouver's too far east. I want to say British Columbia. I don't know. It was literally like almost directly above California area.
Yeah.
Not California, 'cause, like it was a state away, like Washington, but not far away. I was about to, as you could tell, I got in the driveway in a hurry. I didn't even get to roll my windows up or turn the car in back, reverse in like I normally do. But
You said 30 minutes. I was like, oh shit, I guess
Well,
I'll wait and see. And
like 15 minutes later, because I was hoping for 30 minutes, because I kept updating the whole entire time I was heading to work. And then it said, oh, he's 2 stops away. Psych, he's 3 stops away. And then I guess the stops he needed were all on the way and weren't like on the other side of town. And I was like, okay. And like it said he was by Rock Island Tap, which is right by the office, and I didn't see it. So I'm like, okay, maybe I'm good. Maybe he's stuck in the back of somewhere. And then, so earlier when I said they gave me a free upgrade, this part was supposed to be raw like this, but because I was already messaging him, he just went ahead and asked me if I wanted the Cerakoted black, which is this, for heat and stuff, and I said sure, so. Willy boy.